Assalamualaikum everyone. Pahela Baishakh. My name is Syeda Tanaz Masud. I'm from Rightsight Education, level movers A. So today I gonna tell about Pahela Baishakh. First of all, I draw a picture about Pahela Baishakh. Here's the picture. So now I gonna say about Pahela Baishakh. The first day of Baishakh is the beginning of a Bengali New Year. In Bangladesh, it is a national holiday. Baishakhi Fair are held in many parts of the country. Various agricultural products, traditional handicrafts, toys, cosmetics, as well as various kinds of food and sweets are sold at this fair. The fair also provides entertainment and with singers and dancers. They present folk songs. That's for all. Bye everyone. Assalamualaikum.